that's where the cuff is placed, right? So, let's see, some of you watched the video last time. What are some implications, just that you know from real life, of high or low blood pressure? Anybody? What? Sorry. What do you know about high or low blood pressure and its effects on your body?
It's not good.
It's not good.
Is low blood pressure low sugar?
Those things can be related in a roundabout way. So, what's that?
Cheerios are healthy.
Cheerios are heart healthy. So that's a great example. Heart healthy, meaning
what in the
low in what? What do they boast?
low
Cholesterol. Yeah.
and high iron?
High in iron. There's a so the cardiovascular system is just like the greatest example for homeostasis because there's so much going on and so many different components working together.
I remember last, I don't know, one of my science classes throughout my high school career, but then we crushed Oreos, Cheerios, and we were able to pull the iron out of the
Oh yeah?
Cheerios, yeah. You could actually like see like little bits. It was
Interesting.
weird.
It's added. It's like enriched
Yeah.
probably, iron enriched.
High cholesterol causes black buildup.
Yes, absolutely. So yeah, let's move on to that. Hypertension is the medical term for high blood pressure. Okay, we've got a few stages. If you are in pre-hypertension range, don't necessarily like freak out because as we've seen, the Logger Pro Vernier software isn't always the best. But I don't know, it might be something to address with your doctor. Then there's two stages. The last being really high, more alarming, when it becomes chronic hypertension. And as we've seen, that high blood pressure or blood pressure can raise based on nervous system responses, physical responses. But when it becomes chronic, it means over time, right? So your body has been kind of tricked into thinking that that's normal. So your sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system no longer regulates it in the same way. So it's high sustained over time. If you've got high pressure beating against your artery walls, what do you think can happen to that? Why is that bad?
Weaken them?
Yeah, it weakens the walls. It wears them out. Definitely. If you have weakened walls, so they're weaker, and then you can cause plaque buildup. So if it's weak and there's a tear, then cholesterols, lipoproteins begin to stick and get caught in that tear and build up. They calcify over time, cause plaque. So some terms. Let's see. So myocardial infarction is a fancy name. It's a medical term for heart attack. Myocardial. And it's essentially plaque buildup of the coronary artery. Remember, the coronary arteries supply blood flow to your heart. If those are blocked, what's going to happen? Mm-hmm. And why does the heart need blood?
Get it to the rest of the body?
Yeah, because it works to pump the rest of the body. The blood's keeping the heart cells, the muscle cells of the heart alive, right? They begin to die off, they can no longer do their job.
Wait, so what causes like a heart attack? But like, does it get to like a certain point where it doesn't get enough blood? Because like a heart attack's like an instant, like instantly feel it. It's not
Yeah.
like over time,
Right.
like growing pain.
Mm-hmm.
So what hurts? Like why does a heart attack hurt?
Why does it hurt?
Like what
Like,
happens?
why does it happen?
I guess. I don't know. I'm just.
So what happens is the plaque is building up in your coronary artery, causing it to die. So it gets to a certain point where either it gets